welcome back to my channel. It's been a while and this is my first time doing a voiceover, I believe, so thank you for being here. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles, and I love sharing with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. So I'm so excited to be collaborating with VIVA, which is a tea brand. They have a range of teapots and teacups and other tea accessories. So I'll link them down below so you can go check them out. And don't you just love this super cute white teapot in the background? It's like super chic and super sleek. So today's video is my hot drink recipes. I know it's a weird time right now and you're all probably staying at home, so this is the perfect timing to be sharing my recipes with you. Make sure to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram so you can catch up behind the scenes and more on what I do at home. So let's get started. So my first recipe is Earl Grey Tea. So this is the quickest thing to make, and that's why I'm going to show you it first. What you'll need is some Earl Grey tea. You're going to need some milk and some sugar. So the way to brew this is a little bit different. We're going to brew it with milk. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar or whatever sweetener that you use, and you're going to put in a splash of milk. So I basically just put however fills the cup, and then I let that steep for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, you're gonna pour the hot water in and you're gonna mix it up, and you're basically done. Enjoy! So now I'll be sharing with you my favorite recipe, the Matcha Latte. You can use a whisk to make this, or you can use a matcha frother from David's Tea. So the first thing you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of matcha, 2 tablespoons of sugar or your desired sweetener. Then you're going to add a splash of water, and then you're gonna mix it. This one I'm using the matcha frother, so you have to mix this for 20 seconds. After that, you can set that aside and you can start your frother. I just have a milk frother here that I'll link down below because it's from Amazon. Then you pour in your matcha mixture as you wait for your frother. And then you pour in the milk as much as you want and top it off with obviously some matcha. Super easy and super quick. Thank you for watching.